these are some examples of people that are absolutely crushing it. You've got this lady here who generated 287,650 this 15-day cleanse. You've got this gentleman who made $255,380 promoting the same product with a 58-second video. You've got this gentleman here as well, $250,000 with an 8 to 9 second video. A bunch of other examples here. This gentleman here who made $223,980 promoting this very same product. Keep in mind, this is revenue, not their commission. This is where it gets crazy. The commission for every sale you make is 20%, as you can see here. These people will have received 20% of this revenue figure here, which is just absolutely bonkers. And this information is up to date as of yesterday's bonkers. Now, you're probably thinking that all sounds very well, some pretty impressive numbers, but what is all this fuss about TikTok Shop Affiliate? What is TikTok Shop Affiliate? How does it work? And how does the content creator benefit from this? So in this video, I'm going to take things down to the very basics, and I'm going to explain TikTok Shop Affiliate as simply and as easily as possible to you, the viewer. I've also got some resources in the description. I've got a free email course that you can check out, which also is really good for beginners. Now, the easiest way to explain it is, firstly, you have to understand what TikTok Shop is. You know what TikTok is already, but what is TikTok Shop? And then I'm going to explain what TikTok Shop Affiliate is and how it ties into that. So TikTok Shop is a place where people buy physical things, much like Amazon. Now, Amazon is much bigger than TikTok Shop. They've been around for ages. TikTok Shop is a newbie, but it's very similar to Amazon. People don't have to download anything else or go install any other software. As they're browsing, watching these silly videos on TikTok, they can also buy things on there as well, which is absolutely nuts for people that have impulse issues, obviously. Where the TikTok Shop Affiliate thing comes in, which is what I've just been showing you. So you have these shops, people that are doing drop shipping, for example, that are selling these products as TikTok shops. Also, imagine you've got your shop there. What these shops are saying is, okay, I am the shop owner, so I am going to deal with everything to do with making this product available to be bought. I'm going to deal with the fulfillment. I'm going to deal with sourcing the product, pricing the product, customer service. I'm going to deal with returns and all of that stuff. But what the shop is also saying is, I don't have time to promote this product, even though some shops do go on live and sell directly, but that's outside the scope of this video. But majority of the shops are saying, we don't have time to sell these things. Like, for example, this stylus pen right here on TikTok. I want people to buy this stylus pen, but I do not want to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for advertising because I do not have that money. I want to make my money from selling these products. And what TikTok then says was, hang on a minute, I have all of these creators that already make videos here on my platform, and all of these creators are most likely wanting to earn money from making these videos. So the best thing that I can do as TikTok, as the platform, is allow these creators to make short videos that promote your products. And what you can do as the shop owner is give them a cut off that sale. So what they're saying is, you go create a 10-second video talking about this stylus pen here, and once someone clicks on the link that is on your video that is very easily available and buys the product, okay, I will send the product to them and I will give you a 20% commission of however much that sale is. Now, here's where it gets crazy. As the TikTok Shop Affiliate, okay, I don't have to deal with the customer service. I don't have to deal with complaints. I don't have to deal with returns. I don't have to deal with fulfillment, making sure that there's enough stock available. I don't have to deal with the legalities. All I have to do is worry about creating that video, promoting the product, and people coming, clicking the link on my little video and buying the product. This is where it gets insane. Now, obviously, TikTok is a platform that is notorious for people going viral, and it's a platform that is notorious for size as well. Everyone and their dog and their uncle and their grandma, to some extent, is on TikTok nowadays. Okay, obviously, you've seen how worried YouTube is. You've seen how TikTok has changed social media. There wouldn't be any reels without TikTok on Instagram. There wouldn't be any video as much as there is today in terms of short form on Facebook. There wouldn't be YouTube shorts without TikTok. So that is how desperate other businesses are to compete with TikTok that are on that level. But I digress. So people obviously do go viral on TikTok. And what you have to remember is, for every single view that you get on your video, that is potentially someone that could be buying this product that you're promoting in that video. It doesn't matter if you get 10 views. It doesn't matter if you get 100 views, 10,000 views. Every single person, even if they don't like you, even if they don't like, the video, they don't press like on it, they don't share it, they don't do anything like that. All you're worried about is them buying the product and you making money. And the more people buy the product on your profile and the more people make those purchases, the more TikTok promotes your video, because the more money they make and the more money the shop makes, and of course the more money you make as a creator as well, which is just nuts, because it means you don't have to go viral as a TikTok shop affiliate to make money. If you're in the Creator Rewards program, you have to go viral to make money. We're talking here people that are making tens of thousands of dollars. I made a video just yesterday of a creator who made easily more than $300,000 with one video promoting I think it was, or something like that, which is just absolutely bonkers. If you wanted to make and this is just in commission, this is not in revenue. The revenue that went to the shop is an even higher figure than that. So if you wanted to make the same amount of money with the Creator Rewards program, which everyone is going nuts for at the moment, you would have to have a significant amount of views, and you would have to have put in effort for weeks, sometimes even months, to get to a stage where you're getting millions of views across different videos to make that amount of money, which is why I personally believe TikTok Shop Affiliate is the biggest opportunity for small creators to make money on TikTok currently, which is why a good portion of this YouTube channel is dedicated towards educating you about TikTok Shop Affiliate, how it works, how to get products, case studies of creators that are doing well, and etc. etc. So I've got videos that are linked in the description that go into a lot more detail, and there will be a video that comes up at any point that gives you even more information on how this all works as well. So in summary, TikTok Shop Affiliate is simply creators like you and me that choose to promote products from within TikTok Shop in their videos, and they get paid every time someone buys something from within that video. Very simple. They don't worry about anything else. No customer service. They don't even have to leave the TikTok app, because everything is done from within the same TikTok app that you use to make silly videos and send them to your friends and watch all these crazy videos on there. People are making life-changing money as TikTok Shop affiliates. I know doesn't happen to everyone. I know it's not available to every country, which is unfortunate. I know there's no guarantees on it, but you can see the examples of people that are absolutely changing their lives with this. So which side are you on? Are you on the side of people that are just going to talk about it and complain about it and not take any action? Or are you on the side of people that are like, you know what? I'm going to take a chance and see what happens. 2024 could be the year. Let's see where it goes. It's up to you.